Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about volume profile, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to join the world's #1 Zero DTE trade destination. Enjoy guys.
I want to go over something with my volume profile, if possible. When I make my lines for this particular where we're at right now, should I do here or up here where it's fatter?
Neither. I don't even. Do you have all of the information that would make that volume profile? To me, it looks like you have one day. That's not nearly enough.
And then the second question is, where's all the volume profile for down here when I did it the other day?
The volume profile is called the visible range profile. All right. Think about what the name implies. It's creating a profile on only the range of prices that are visible in the window. All right. So take a look at the prices that you have in the window and look at their range from top to bottom. You can't show anything below that because there is no prices to create a profile.
And the prices, you meaning these two prices here?
The candlesticks.
Oh,
look at the top of the candles.
Oh, I see. Okay.
You can't have a profile that is any bigger than that.
Gotcha. Okay. So if these candles were a lot longer, then I would have more blue on here. Then.
Or
right?
if you go in and you squeeze the chart and bring in more data,
should I still keep it on? If I were to do that, should I still keep it on 5 minutes or should I bump it up?
It'd be a lot easier just to bump it up. It'll include more data. Just to bump it up to, and try 30 minutes. Just see what happens.
Okay, there you go.
All right. Now, one thing that I would do is go over to the lower right-hand corner where there's an A and an L and a little, and then choose Autofit. All right. Then it will show you everything that's there. So now now I don't know if there's any other data behind this or not. Click anywhere inside the chart and just drag it to the right. Are these all-time highs? I don't know. Yeah, I guess they are.
That is.
Yeah. All right. So that's good. That's good. Okay. I wanted to get all that information. And now you'll see the volume profile will redraw.
It did, okay.
Because it's showing you the profile for what you're showing in the window. So now that you're absolutely sure that there is no other historical price action, then you're good to now draw your lines on the profile.
All right, so let's say I want to draw the top of this node right here.
I would start with the big nodes there. There's basically, I see 3 big nodes there.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, and I would put red lines on the top of them and green lines on the bottom. Don't try to make it too complex. It's really not that complex.
Okay, so what if you have a node that has...
Those are inside the nodes, and I use different colors for those. I usually use, like you have a purple or a blue, and then between the nodes where there's a big volume, I use yellows.
Is this considered the here or here?
No, because it's inside a node. The black area are the wells.
Gotcha, okay.
So that way when you're zoomed in and you're looking at the colored lines and you can't really see the whole profile. Actually, when you zoom in to get to your trading day, you should always just turn off the profile. Just hide it because because you don't need it anymore. You've already marked it up. And from the lines themselves, you can tell where all the edges were because you colored them. You can tell where the bottoms of nodes are, where the tops of nodes are, whether you're inside a node or inside a well, just by the color of the lines.
Now let me ask you, this red one here, all the way up to the top of this node, should I bring it down to here?
Nah, I like that. That's good.
That's good. How about this one? Does this look good here? The top there, the green there?
Yeah, that bottom node, I'd bring that red one up just a tiny bit. So that's probably better. I think that kind of more captures the meat of it, don't you?
Okay, now what about this particular node up here?
Same deal. You see that big crack at the bottom of that node? Yeah, in that crack. No, up. See that big yeah, right there. Yeah, that's perfect. That big crack is super important.
So how's that look? Everything looking good?
Yeah. And then that shit in the middle of the node, I would use probably purple or blue.
Okay. And then what about this big here?
That's yellow. I would put one at the top and the bottom of that.
So like right there for the top and then right here for the bottom?
Yeah, right where it goes right down to the nothing.
Okay, perfect. All right, very good. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's school community.